Alright guys, new day, new video. So today we're actually gonna do a little reaction video. So we got this new project car, which I mentioned, you know, it's 2002 W Ratchet X, and it is very ratchet. It is so ratchet, we're missing second gear, but you know, that's no problem because I do have friends in the Subi world and they are getting me a transmission. Shout out to Layden and Jeremy, thank you very much, you're the best. But not my reaction. It's we're more worried about Sheleah's reaction. She knows we got the car. She's never ridden in it, actually. And like I said, it is kind of ratchet. So we're gonna go pick her up on her lunch break with the Ratchet WRX and see how she likes it. Okay, maybe we won't pick her up because it kind of just died on me. Well, the Ratchet WRX is kind of dead right now. I'm trying to figure it out. I'm stuck on the side of the road. I guess we are not picking up Sheleah for a reaction video because it's kind of a shitty reaction for myself. Awesome times. Yeah, not too sure what's going on here, but it's dead. Oh boy. All right. Well, it looks like I got some water in the engine. Hopefully at least it starts now. But I do have a check engine light. All right, figured out why it died. I was washing the engine bay and I got the mass air sensor connector wet and yeah, my bad. But it's running now, so we're on our way to go pick up Sheleah and check out her reaction, what she thinks about this Ratchet WRX. Well, that didn't work out as planned. WRX kind of died on me, so didn't make it to get Sheleah. But we'll be back. I'm gonna pick up for lunch in the Tacoma, have lunch, go home, clean out the mass air, and then we'll do a take 2 on this one. All right, take 3.
Oh God.
All right, so got home, found out what was wrong with the WRX, the Ratchet X. The clamp off the air mass sensor wasn't on good, and yeah, that's why I got stuck on the side of the road. But so I got Sheleah in here. This is the first time she's riding in this thing, and it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
We haven't even left the driveway yet, so.
I feel like we're driving in a crackhead's car. Like, there's a lot of things exposed in here.
So I wanted her to get this reaction,
Yeah.
so you know she'll see what it looks like after.
Can't wait.
But you know, that's what we do. We buy cars that need some work, which you know makes them in our price point budget, so that way we can afford them and make them how we want them. That's the turbo spool's pretty good.
Okay, all I know is we better not break down somewhere, okay? Because our only backup ride, which is our Momo, she's not responding because I told her she gotta cook dinner. And this guy never even like bring tools with him, whatnot. Oh God. Wish me luck.
It runs. It's okay. I just don't have second gear, but I have first, third, fourth, and fifth. And you know what? Main thing is I have reverse. All four work. Yeah. So that's my homie Kai. Kai, say what's up. And I.
That's what I gotta deal with.
Yeah.
This guy.
But it boosts. And you know, a few things are held together by zip ties, but brand new.
Nice, bro.
Brand new rotors.
Yeah. So well, you know, it looks very ratchet on the outside, but there's brand new rotors, brand new axles. Timing belt was just done, also water pump. So it's not like it's like falling apart. It just looks like it's falling apart.
It looks like crap right now, actually. But I trust this guy 100%. Whatever. He always comes through.
Yeah.
So, yeah. I'm down.
But for the price that we got it for, you know, I kind of always wanted a Subaru, like something all-wheel drive. And you know, I've
Good job.
built a bunch of them and put some together for some of my friends, and just never really wanted one until it was like really cheap. So I'm kind of El Cheapo. You know, we have money, we just kind of El Cheapo. That's why we have money. So I mean, the vehicle runs good. What do you think, baby?
It runs good, actually. It feels like okay. It just looks like shit right now. I'm like, I can't wait for you to like put this thing together, have a nice paint job, have a decent dash, shift knob,
We kind of like them ratchet.
second gear.
Yeah.
Richard. Red interior. Jake.
Actually, surprisingly decently fast.
Yeah.
So I've never owned a Subaru, but like I said, I've worked on quite a few of them, actually. A lot of STIs. You know what? Let's just go around the traffic. Oh, no second. Straight to third. But you know, I like it. I actually kind of like it. But you know, I'll like it better once we change the transmission out and put a decent paint job and wheels. But the good news, like I said before, guys, I know a body guy. And he's my brother, so I'm pretty sure he'll give me a good deal.
Oh, and Darius requests we gotta put a spoiler.
Yes, and we need to put a spoiler on it.
Yeah.
And probably a little bit of suspension mods, but other than that, it's pretty good.
Well, the boys like it.
At least we know the turbo works.
It's turning.
What's up, brother?
Was it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Looked like a sister.
No, that was a dude. That was not a chick, dude. That was like a dude, straight up.
Aww.
Welcome to Happy Valley, guys. Where the trannies are not just in the cars, they're also on the streets.
Wow.
Yeah, no, that was a dude.
Okay. I don't know. We don't judge.
We don't judge. I'm fine. Like I said, the good news is it's running. It didn't die out on us yet. Like earlier today. I think problem fixed. This is like one of those cars. It's like cheap but awesome. Like even if it wasn't as cheap as we got it for, and you bought it at like a retail regular price, it's still a good car. Like for the price you can get a W Ratchet X, all-wheel drive, turbo. I mean, for like a fun, decent, cheap car, why not? But this car did come with an Oswald Performance front bumper, which is like $300 plus shipping, which is almost what we paid for the car, honestly.
God, you're just trying to push it.
Hey, if it's gonna break, I want it to break in the beginning stages.
Just trying to push it, man.
You know, actually, since we're in this area, we should stop by my brother's house.
Why?
See his reaction.
Is he home?
I should be
Or
home.
he's at the shop?
I don't think he's at the shop.
Show him what he's working with.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure he's seen worse.
Oh, I'm pretty sure he's seen worse. But you know what? First, before we do that, guys, Starbucks.
Know that. Happy girlfriend, happy life. Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Why is the Starbucks drive-through not open?
Like seriously?
Well, I don't think. Maybe just the drive-throughs.
I don't know. Like the parking looks empty.
No, look.
What? That's Verizon. Look. What the hell? Like, they need to stop. Stop messing with me, Starbucks.
Is there nobody in there?
Babe, it looks black. Pitch black inside. Whatever.
Are you serious?
I cannot see what the sign says.
Alright, I'll go look.
What does it say?
They're only open from 5 to 1:30.
Only today?
I don't know. I think every day.
What?
It's because of the COVID.
Yeah. I'm wearing my mask because I had allergies earlier, so yeah. I feel like crap. I feel even more like crap now that I didn't get my coffee. But that's okay. We'll find one that's open, right, babe?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
For sure.
Yeah.
All right, so we're here at my brother's shop, and I got his reaction to the Ratchet WRX. So what do you think, Kanye?
I think you overpaid by about $2,000. How much did you buy it for?
Not $2,000.
So, yeah, you overpaid by about $2,000.
But we didn't even pay $2,000 for it.
Yeah, you should have gotten paid to take it away.
Yeah. It's not that bad, I think. But like I said, my brother, is an awesome body guy. He does miracles, and he's gonna do a miracle on this one.
We'll see.
So we'll see. All right, honey. So after driving around in this WRX, the Ratchet WRX is what we call it. What do you think?
I don't know, babe. It's ass. I like it. Drives good.
All right. That's it. She said she liked it. Keeping it.